Yeah, you can see them all the way down there.
That was what we're talking about. Right, Sister?
Hi, Emma. How old are you?
5.
Where are we?
At the sand dunes.
Where at Sand Lake? They went that way.
Was Bob trying to do it?
No, I don't think Bob does it.
Bob did it one time.
Did he? What do you get to do this fall? Where do you get to go in September? Where do you get to go, Emma?
School.
To school? What grade?
I don't know.
I don't know.